I wish there was like a faster way to do this.
Yeah, well, I found a program online. I haven't installed it yet.
Yeah.
But it puts all of these things into a GUI where it's just like lines of text, and you don't have to open any extra windows.
Perfect.
They're all just there.
Yeah. Because like it changes it as you type it too. Like you don't even need to like press OK or anything.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Kage just giving him the business right now, tearing through this pool. Look at that wavelet.
Yeah, it's pretty fancy.
Yeah, that's tough to do as Ganon. Who do you think wins in Ganon? No, Kage versus Bizarro Flame.
Oh, that's tricky. Eh?
Yeah, that's tricky.
I think so. Yeah. Should be.
Okay, so they're saying game video and audio are desynced. Oh, you know what? The mic might be picking it up from the TV.
Yeah. I'm gonna...
Yo, stream, how's that now? Oh my god. That was 1 minute and 3 second force shot.
Oh boy, yeah.
Looking like Axe versus Silent Wolf.
Yeah, I hope we do get to see Kage versus Bizarro Flame one day.
Yeah,
just for the style.
Kage, when are you gonna money match Bizarro Flame? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That'd be sick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh boy.
He's already done. Not even 10 seconds. Oh wow. That's chain grab?
Yep.
Ganon actually has chain grab on like most of the cast.
Yeah, his down throw is really good.
Yeah. They're saying there's a little bit of delay still.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
I'm not sure how to fix that.
How much delay is there, guys?
I think maybe once pools are done, I'm gonna shut the stream off. For
Yeah,
just
maybe
a second,
just
and then
restart
see if
it.
I can like mess with the settings a little bit.
It's working super well. Like I didn't know streaming would be like it doesn't seem like too complicated.
Yeah, it was easier than I expected.
Yeah.
Aside from like the obvious, there are some bugs, but
Yeah.
I'll get it all figured out.
Do you need like really good internet connection to do this?
Yeah, because this one it's actually plugged into the wall there.
Oh yeah. Oh man.
Oh. Speaking of Bizarro Flame, the double stomp.
Yeah. You know the back air. Can't overshoot the ledge versus Ganon, that's for sure.
This is friendlies? Okay.